Hi.
Hi, my name is Mozart and I'm from outer space.
I am an intergalactic filmmaker stranded on the last Earth. I document my sailing expeditions, off-grid amusement park, random adventures and projects, and the search for my happy-go-lucky land. And sometimes I invite you to join. Yesterday I started building this box for my diesel heater. A very popular thing in 2016 was the time lapse. Let's try a time lapse. I will have to... Hey? Hi? I will have to read the manual for this diesel heater, but now it's installed and I just need to make a bigger hole for the... Oh, you're so wet! He plays a game now. He catches a mouse and then he comes and plays with it until it's very dead, and then I throw it out as far as I can in the forest, and then he comes back and he goes out there to find the mouse again. And now he was on the hunt for his mouse, but I threw it very far in the forest. It's very late already and I'm working early tomorrow again, but I get kind of obsessed when I start projects. I try to drill a circle and then I use this blade to chop out the rest. Take some time. This is some high quality pine wood. You can smell, and it's completely dry, so if this house was to burn, it could easily burn down very fast. No protection plastic to peel off. Or is it? Oh, it is, yes. We have a heater in the house. It's crazy. This is very warm. This is nice. This probably will heat up this room faster than the wood stove for sure, because this just pumps hot air into the room. I guess this area here close to the ball pit will be like the cozy area to get into if you're cold. We'll sit here on the floor. I haven't done any calculations for how long my battery can be on, but it's not supposed to draw that much power from the battery. Most of the heat comes from the diesel and it's very efficient. We can see on the panel 164 degrees is it in the heater, and it's 23 degrees in here at the moment. Never feels that warm. I think the air in an old house is very moist. Matijs has been a bit cold and swollen in the throat, but he's been out playing and having fun now, so I think it's fine. This is freaking awesome. If I only had done this 2-day work, I might have been able to live here much easier last winter. I mean, I will probably not have this on all the time, but come home, start a fire and let the fire take over. And at first it was some problem with the electricity, and then I connected it directly here to the battery, but usually I have the battery in the other side of the room, so I'm not sure what to do about that, but maybe now when it's primed then everything it will work even further away. But all cables have internal resistance, so you waste electricity on the way through the cables. If you have long cables, you waste energy on the way. Maybe that's what is happening. I'm not sure. It will be like a sauna in here. I can warm my feet. This is a nice thing with having an off-grid house, that you can upgrade. You can upgrade your house all the time with new inventions and solutions to problems you wouldn't have if you had everything fixed in an apartment or something. When you have an off-grid house and there's nothing, no electricity and nothing, just you put up a lamp in the ceiling and all of a sudden you have light, and that's nice. Now I have a heat source, another heat source, and yeah, maybe I will dig a well and somewhere to get the water out, and upgrade my solar system, so I will have a lot of solar panels on the roof. I think it will work, and it's much more fun, and maybe even cheaper than getting the grid here, because it's so far out. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Because I installed the air intake from the heater on the outside of the house to get fresh air into my house. At first I had a problem with exhaust getting into my house, so therefore I installed a longer pipe with some exhaust pipe tape, and this seems to be working fine. Just bringing the exhaust a bit further away from the heater was working great, but I'm not sure for every condition. It's been quite windy lately.